Hey, gorgeous. Let me ask you something. Are you making your money work for you, or are you stuck living paycheck to paycheck? If you're ready to take control of your finances and build a future you're proud of, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 8 money lessons covering 3 key areas: spending money, making money, and protecting money. All right, first up, spending money. The way you spend your money can either set you up for success or leave you broke and frustrated. Here's how to spend smarter. Lesson number 1, pay yourself first. Imagine this. You get your paycheck, and before you know it, it's gone. Rent, groceries, bills, a couple of splurges on skincare or that Friday night out. By the end of the month, you're wondering, where did it all go? Here's the game changer. Before you pay anyone else, pay yourself. Set aside at least 10% of your income for savings or investments. I started small, 10%. Then as I earned more, I bumped it up to 15%, 20%. This one habit changed everything for me. This simple shift in mindset, just paying yourself first, will be a complete game changer for your finances. Let me know in the comments if you have been paying yourself first or if you've been paying others first. Being self-aware of how you're spending your money is one of the key steps to successfully manage your finances. Lesson number 2, control your expenses. Okay, let's get real for a second. Have you ever noticed that the more you make, the more you spend? You get a raise and suddenly your $20 dinner habit turns into $60 sushi nights. Or that free walk to the gym? Now it's a $30 Uber ride. That, my friend, is called lifestyle creep, and it's a sneaky little thing. Let's break it down. A $5 coffee every day? That's $125 a year. And that $30 Uber for convenience twice a week adds up to over $3,120 a year. That's $445 just slipping through your fingers on things that might feel small but add up fast. So how do we fight back against lifestyle creep? The lesson here is to distinguish between needs and wants, disguised as needs. Here's a trick I use. Write down all your expenses for the month. Then put each one into 2 categories: true needs, like rent, groceries, or student loan payments, and wants, like fancy skincare products, takeout, or those leggings you convinced yourself were for fitness. Now, I'm not saying never treat yourself. That's no fun, and we work hard for our money. But the key is balance. For example, instead of Ubering everywhere, set a rule. Uber only for late nights or when it's pouring rain. Love your coffee shop run. Keep it to weekends and make your own lattes during the week. Lesson number 3, make your money work for you. Think of your money like a team of workers. If you keep it in a savings account, it just sits there. But if you invest it, stocks, index funds, real estate, it starts working 24/7 to make more money. For example, if you invest $1,000 every year and it earns a 10% return annually, after 30 years, you would have approximately $181,000. Let your money work harder so you don't have to. Lesson number 4, ensure a future income. Let me tell you a story. There's a camel trader who once lived a very comfortable life with a large herd of camels, but instead of saving for his future, he spent every coin. He didn't save anything for when he got older. As he aged, he couldn't manage his business anymore. His wealth eventually disappeared, and he became poor. He had to rely on other people to survive. Here's the takeaway. It's not just about making money now. It's about securing income for the future when you can't or don't want to work. Retirement might feel far away in your 20s and 30s, but starting early is everything. If you invest just $100 a month starting at 25 with a 10% return, you'll have about $630,000 by 65. Wait until 35? That drops to $226,000. The longer you wait, the less time your money has to grow. So start now and let compounding work its magic. Which step will you take today to set up your future? Let me know in the comments. Lesson number 5, increase your ability to earn. Here's a hard truth. You can only save so much, but you can always earn more. Invest in yourself. Take that course, learn that skill, start that side hustle. Your income isn't fixed. It's limitless if you're willing to grow. Think of your career and skills as your biggest assets. The more you level up, the more money flows your way. Lesson 6, avoid risky investments. In the book, a man loses all his money because he trusted someone who promised quick riches. Sound familiar? Scams are everywhere. Crypto schemes, fake gurus, you name it. Here's the rule. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to investments you understand and get advice from experts, not random TikTok influencers. Lesson number 7, seek advice from the wise. It seems that everyone has an opinion on what you should do with your money, where you should save it, how you should manage it, and what you should spend on. While their intentions might be good, the reality and one of the main lessons from the book is that if you're serious about growing wealth, you need to listen to people who have already walked the path you want to take. They are the people who truly understand the challenges and opportunities because they've been through it themselves. A mentor, financial coach, or trusted advisor can help you avoid costly mistakes. Lesson number 8, cultivate good luck through action. This is probably my favorite because let me tell you a secret. What most people call luck, it's just preparation, meeting opportunity. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take that first step, whether it's starting a business, learning a new skill, or applying for that dream job. The more action you take, the luckier you'll get. So there you have it, the 8 financial lessons from the rich. Which lesson are you going to start today? Let me know in the comments. And hey, don't keep this gold to yourself. Share this video with a friend who needs it. Hit that like button, subscribe, and join me next week for more wealth building tips. Until next time, stay fierce, stay fabulous, and take control of your finances.